All right, we made it to question 12. Using the substitution u equals square root of x for this integral, how can we change it in terms of u? That's just my brief paraphrasing of that. Okay, so the first thing we can do is let's go on ahead and, well, let's just write out what it was initially. So it's 1 to 4 e to the square root of x divided by square root of x. Now, if I have u equals the square root of x, I know that du is going to be equal to negative 1 over 2 times the square root of x, and you can just use the power rule for that, dx. Now, I want to convert this in terms so that it's on the other side, so I will have negative 2, let's see here, square root of x equals, sorry, du equals dx. And let me just make sure I didn't do anything wrong here. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, that shouldn't be negative. This should be positive. I'm sorry. I must have like missed something in my brain there. Anyway, yeah, it should be 2 square root of x. Okay, so now that I have that, let me go ahead and, well, actually also, we need to change our limits of integration because remember, this is x equals 1 and this is x equals 4. I want it to be u equals 1 and u equals, or I want it to be u equals something. So if I do u of 1, I just plug in 1 for the square root of x, and then I get 1. And then same thing with the 4. I have the square root of 4, which is just 2. So now when I rewrite it, and I put everything in it, I'm going to have the integral of u equals 1 to u equals 2. Let's see here. E to the u divided by u multiplied by 2 times the square root of x du. Now I know that this right here, this is just equivalent to u, right? We already talked about that right there. So therefore this entire thing is going to be equal to 2 multiplied by the integral of 1 to 2 e to the u divided by u times u du, and my u's are going to cancel, so my final answer is going to be 2 times the integral of 1 to 2 e to the u du. All right, and that is going to be answer choice. Let me just make sure I'm reading this correctly. Yep, it's going to be answer choice C. All right, guys, that's the correct answer. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.